See, one more thing, when you came in front of the sharks, शुरुआत में होता है ना, मतलब अब एक तो इतने सारे कैमराज होते हैं वहाँ पे, और इतने सारे एक से एक कोई ना कोई इंडस्ट्री का जो लीडर बैठा हुआ है, अपनी अपनी सबके कंपनी है. शुरुआत के 2-3 मिनट में होता है थोड़ा हल्का एक, जैसे होता है ना, I can call it a camera fear because of course you are coming in front of the national television and you are performing that. तो थोड़ा हुआ था शुरुआत के कुछ minutes.
I mean, I'll answer for me. मेरे को नहीं हुआ था. I was very nervous before entering the tank.
Okay.
But after we went in, it was क्योंकि first 3 minutes तो you're anyway doing your pitch, right? You're
Right.
whatever you've thought of, whatever you're pitching. फिर उसके बाद it's a general conversation that is there, right? क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं है उनने आपको स्क्रिप्ट दिया, आप लाइन भूल गए तो वो कट बोलेंगे, करना है. आप उनसे ऐसे ही बात कर रहे हो, and the cameras are not in your face. They're on the side.
They're on the side.
They're not in the front. What they've kept are different cameras and they've got different angles, right? So like if it was right in front of me and I could not see the person that I'm talking to, yes, I would be nervous, but I could see whom am I talking to. And जब आप क्या होता है, जब आप किसी से बात करते हो ना, their energy vibes off on what you're doing, right? If they're boring, then you'll not really invest a lot. तो for us the sharks were very invested. तो from the time that we entered वो हंस रहे थे, तो वो माहौल ही ऐसा create हो गया था कि वो ice break हो गया था. They were also enjoy talking to us, so we were not very shy and we were like giving them the answers that they needed, and it was quite nice. And what happens is, right, you need to treat it as a regular conversation that you're having with an investor, right? अगर आप लोग what they're looking at is investing in you as a founder, not just the product. A product anybody can sell, but how you sell it differently is what really matters. So you needed to be really confident, and that's what we tried to do on the show.
Of course, and as you said, everybody was like smiles on the, only one guy exceptional, Ashneer Govardhan, शायद वो कम मुस्कुराते हैं.
No, he smiled. He was the first person to give us the deal on the he was the first one to welcome us on the show. He was the first one to give us a deal. He was also laughing. So yeah,
लेकिन ज्यादा वो बाकी के लोग ज्यादा मुस्कुरा रहे थे, या फिर वो 13 मिनट की क्लिप में शायद मे बी
नहीं, he was him. I was very scared of Ashni, to be honest. But अंदर जाने के बाद ना वो the way that he showed his interest was like, oh okay. If he's interested, everybody's interested.
Right. So after you went for this and all, कितने समय बाद ये पब्लिश हुआ था YouTube पे, या I can say air हुआ था सोनी लिव पे?
1 महीने के बाद. We shot in the end of November, December
31st.
December 20th को Shark Tank चालू हो गया. December 31st को हमारा एपिसोड आ गया, as was the 10th episode.
Okay, so after that episode was published, what was the post Shark Tank episode? कहने को तो वो 13-14 मिनट की क्लिप आई, ठीक है. अब तो आजकल क्या होता है ना, कोई वीडियो आता है, वो कोई भी वीडियो आता है, अभी तो वो तो फिर भी पहला सीजन था, उसके कितने शॉर्टर बिट्स ऑफ इट, बाइट्स ऑफ इट, रील्स, शॉर्ट्स, मेन एपिसोड जो आया था, उसके बाद फिर क्या द रिएक्शन ऑफ दैट, एज इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रैक्शन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ विजिबिलिटी, और मे बी व्हाट वाज दैट?
We sold out the very first week.
Okay.
So that was great traction.
We were not prepared for that much, orders and वो I think हम लोग ने इतना expect नहीं किया था that इतना visit, traffic, orders. So we thought we were very underprepared for.
Calls भी बंद नहीं हो रहे थे. And also जैसे वो air हो रहा था, the traffic, I think
We were sitting with the laptop. right in front.
9 बजे स्टार्ट होता है. 8:30 को हमारी वेबसाइट थी ही नहीं. 8:50 को हमारी वेबसाइट लाइव हुई है, एंड तब तक हमारे इतना धक धक हो रहा था, बिकॉज वी वर ट्राइंग टू मेक इट द PHP वर्जन, टू मेक इट लाइक कितने भी लोग आए तो फिर वो क्रैश नहीं हो. We just, because we were prepared to what people had told us before, we didn't expect the same kind of results, but it was above and beyond. So 8:59 तक के there were 3 people on the website. Okay, we could see the number of people. 9:02 there are 20,000 people on the website, and it had just begun. And वो 9:02 तो सिर्फ 2 मिनट into the pitch वो जो खुजला के आए, बस वो 2 मिनट का बस वो हुआ है, and there are 20,000 people on the website. And obviously तब ग्रोथ गया, because हमने वो मॉनिटर नहीं किया, but उस रात आई थिंक 31st की रात थी, कोई न्यू ईयर नहीं मनाया. हम सब ऑफिस में बैठे हैं, पैकिंग किए हैं, एंड सबको, जितने भी लोगों को हम जानते हैं, नेबर्स, फ्रेंड्स, एवरीबॉडी एल्स हैज कम, helped us pack
Packing.
the orders, made invoices. Since we were not on Shopify, उसके invoices नहीं थे. PHP, you need to make your own invoices.
वो थोड़ा
Oh God, it was quite a good time actually. If I look at it.
इसमें ना दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है, दो assumptions हैं. एक तो ऑफ कोर्स ये पहली बार इंडिया में आ रहा था, आपको जैसा आपने बताया कि यूएस का तो पता है, पॉपुलेशन तो ज्यादा है ही, और साथ में बिकॉज दिस पर्टिकुलर एपिसोड वाज ह्यूमरस, तो वायरलिटी के चांस भी ज्यादा होते हैं. मे बी इफ दे जस्ट सी इट एज फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस, कि अब हंस रहे हैं, कि एक मतलब होता है ना, जैसे एक पिच में कॉमेडी वाली फीलिंग आ गई.
See, we didn't know how they would patch the episode at all. हमको नहीं, they don't show you a pre to it. Also, मेरे को और अनुश्री को थोड़ा बुरा लग रहा था यार, 31st को कौन एयर करता है, सब पार्टी के लिए जाएंगे. लकीली तब कोविड का टाइम था या whatever, there were lesser people who were going out, but 9 बजे you start leaving for parties, right?
Right.
So we figured, yaar, what others would have gotten, we didn't get, like before the show. But jitna mila, that was above and beyond to what we expected. So that was good, touch wood.